Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from gardenequipmentreview.com. Today you were looking at the Efco SA2062 backpack blower, and we're going slightly up market to the previous models we've been looking at. This Efco backpack blower is currently available for £679. I appreciate it's quite a bit more than some of the other models we've been looking at, especially the budget models. However, it is a professional machine. It will give you a long life, or a long work life rather, and it does come with a 3-year warranty, so that's a good bonus. Yesterday we looked at the Stiga 375 backpack blower, which is here, sort of a semi-professional machine, not a budget machine, but sort of an in-between. Still a good buy with plenty of power, but we'll come back to the Efco now. This blower, it is a professional machine. It's high-speed blowing. It has a 4.5 horsepower engine, which is 61.3 cc. A movable lance handle for operator comfort. So here, to be fair, most of the backpack blowers have a handle that's movable. It just means you can sort of use the machine in a comfortable position, to be fair. It may sound simple, but it's quite a useful feature. It's quiet running. It's got a 75 dB, which is pretty quiet, especially in two-stroke terms, which is good. So it can be used in urban areas. And probably the best thing about it is it's got a 3-year peace of mind warranty. So just running down a few things. The blow power is, check it out, 324 kilometers an hour, which is quite a lot of blow, to be fair. So as good as any. So that's a great for doing wet leaves and what have you. I just put down here the blower is the tool I use most in the garden, to be fair. Obviously the primary use is for leaves, but I use it for clearing up after jobs in the garden. Even when I've scarified a lawn before, I've actually blown the debris into heaps and then just cleared it away. Because if you've got a powerful blower, it's surprising what you can move. I can actually move mud, and like compacted mud with mine. It's a similar size to the Efco. Actually, I use a still. I've had quite a few still blowers over the years, and I rate them. But this is a similar sort of thing to the still, to be fair, very similar, and a similar price. So I've also put about the anti-vibration system. On the cheaper models, they don't particularly have some don't really have any anti-vibration system apart from through the strap where you carry it on your back. But the professional ones, the semi-professional ones, do have proper damping springs, and the manufacturers go to quite a bit of expense into getting a good anti-vibration system in for the operator. I mean, if you're just using it for small amounts, it doesn't matter as much, but if you're using it for long periods, you definitely need something. So, to conclude, I've put here, I always recommend customers purchase the best machine they can afford, and I appreciate that we all have to stick to a budget and we can't always have what we want. However, I do believe if we do spend more money, we can on a machine, we can have good value and something that will be longer lasting, and the privilege of using a well-engineered machine. And finally, I put, would I buy this machine? The answer is yes. However, I have always purchased still machines, so I would probably stick with still. However, I do know people who use Efco, quite a few people, and they like them. They're probably bigger in the States than they are in the UK, but they're certainly on the sort of same wavelength as what still is. Good quality machines, and once again you've got the 3-year warranty, which to me is worth a terrific amount. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. If you'd like to comment, please feel free to comment on the YouTube video. I'm here to try and help, so just fire your questions away. Thanks very much for watching.